bà tôi dịp đâu bé ấy
Lô ma cho xin á lô ma cho
Bốp
nắng khơi nhé nắng khơi nhỉ sao hả bốc camera luôn
Hi there, student and everyone. Welcome to this video. This weekend, I am not going to create any video about teaching English because my family and I are visiting our hometown in Koh Thom district, Kanai province. Now we are having a great time and we are visiting Sapodilla farms as you can see in this video. We can come here by motorbike or by car, and we need to travel along the national road number 21, beginning from Koh Thom, stretching from north to south. When reaching bridge number 43, you will see our home on the right. And to visit our farm, we travel along a path connecting from National Road 21, beginning from the bridge corner on the right. We can ride a motorbike or we can drive car to the farm. Anyway, for this trip, we were all 5 people, so we could not ride motorbike, and so we drove our car. And along the ways to the farm, we saw different plants such as mango trees, lemon trees, sugarcane, and a lot more. Most importantly, we saw a lot of Sapodilla trees, which my village is famous for. We also saw like beautiful cabbage farm where we couldn't help stopping our car and walk out to take beautiful photo, film, and create this video for you to watch. Và xuបងប្អូនអរគ្នាបាទនេះគឺជាចំការស្ពៃក្តោបបាទចំការស្ពៃក្តោបបាទនៅសងខាងនេះគឺមានចំការល្មុតតមកទៀតចំការស្ពៃក្តោបរាប់ពាន់គុំតែម្ដងរាប់ពាន់ក្តោបតែម្ដងមកក្តោប1គីឡូមកក្តោប1គីឡូបងប្អូនចឹងបងប្អូនត្រូវការទិញស្ពៃក្តោបបាទនៅខាងស្រុកកោះធំនេះគឺបងប្អូនប្រជាកសិករយើងនឹងមានដាំច្រើនមួយចំការម្នាក់មួយចំការម្នាក់អញ្ចឹងទៅធ្វើត្បិតថាមិនចំការធំក៏ប៉ុន្តែបងប្អូនកសិករច្រើនដាំគ្នាច្រើនអញ្ចឹងអាចទិញបាទគ្រប់គ្រងបានច្រើនដែរក្រៅពីដាំល្មុតដាំអំពៅអីណាសងខាងនេះខាងឆ្វេងនេះគឺអំពៅហើយខាងនេះគឺស្ពៃក្តោបហើយនៅខាងមុខទៀតក៏មានស្ពៃក្តោបខាងចំការនៅក្បែរភូមិក៏មានស្ពៃក្តោបច្រើនដែរបងប្អូននេះលោកជំទាវខាងនោះឃើញស្អាតអីចំការស្ពៃក្តោបស្អាតអញ្ចឹងទៅក៏ថតលេងតិចទៅបងប្អូន selfie អីនេះអាយលេបងប្អូនណាឥឡូវលេងធ្វើជាកសិកម្មឲ្យទៅជាកន្លែងសួនទេសចរវិញនេះមិនដែរស្អាតទេជំទាវស្អាតហើយខាងនេះអ្នកលេងខ្លែងលេងខ្លែងចេះបរហោះនេះអត់មានខ្យល់ While visiting and taking the photograph at the Cabbage farm,
Um, it was a little windy, so my kid wanted to fly the kite, but he could not do. So I taught him. I just taught him to fly the kite, but it's hard for me to fly the kite as well because sometimes it was windy and sometimes it was so calm, no wind anymore. So when it's windy, the kite just flew up, and when it's no windy, it just fall down to the ground. And my kid shout to me, "See, you cannot do it either," he said.
Nâng khơi vậy. Khơi vậy, nâng khơi vậy.
But flying the kite remind me of my childhood when I was child and I lived in my village. I made the kite by my own self and I flew it. I ran and flew it around my village. It was happy when I was young. You know, when I see somebody flying the kite, I always think of my village.
Bốc camera luôn. Ui, họ thật đau này đó.
After photographing at the cabbage farm, we continue our trip to the Sapodilla farm. And this land that you can see on the right has been prepared for growing new cabbage. Finally, we arrived at the farm, and the first thing we must do was to bring our camping material, and we set up a chair and table, and then we made some coffee.
Mẹ này con anh coi ăn mơ bia xuống.
Loma Jasmine á. Loma Jasmine á. Loma Jasmine.
Bốp.
Bụp ống à? Bụp bô. Con phải thịt bạch bô. Bụp ống à?
Nè. Con đây cho nước màu. Cái sụp.
Nó có liệt. Cái thọ. Nè à, bọc máy. À, hộp
Không quan canh cho tôi. Đừng đây bay không chịu.
We got shade from Sapodilla trees, and we drank the coffee. We talked about many things. You know, we feel completely relaxed. After a short break, my wife and I began to visit everywhere in the farm. I carried my wife behind to visit and pick some fruit, so she was happy. You know, she was heavy well, so I decided to drop her off and we walked together. we saw that our Sapodilla trees yields a lot. If anyone want to buy fresh organic Sapodilla fruit, feel free to contact me or you can come and visit. It was late afternoon after visiting the farm, and it was time for us to go back to the village. So we wrap up all the material and push them into the car boot.
តែមកទៀតដើម្បីឆ្លងទៅត្រើយខាងព្រែកតាគេ
Ê, vắt vô mà đai.
មកដាក់ក្នុងចុកក្នុងឡានក៏បាន
Thấy cái kia tức tiếc nguôi mà.
ចូលឡានហើយបាយបាយ
And this is the end of this video. But don't scroll yet, I have a piece of information for you. Don't forget to meet again with new English lesson. If you wish to search for all the video about English lesson, here is my recommendation. Alright, so to have access to all the video about English lesson, firstly you go to this link, click on this link, and then you will have access to my YouTube channel, and then look for the playlist over here. You click on playlist, you will see 1 2 3 4 5 lists. One is for English for daily life, second is power speech, and third is English academic writing, or you may want to look for English word, and the last one is English grammar and usage. So you can view full list of any playlist that you want. For example, you are interested in part of speech, you click on view full playlist, and then you will see all the video about part of speech from beginning until the latest video I have posted. For example, you can get the video from introduction, part 1, part 2 until part 18. This is the last or the latest video that I have posted. So that means if you have access to my YouTube channel, it is easier for you to find the lesson in a very good order. And you can click any video that you want to learn. You can see a thumbnail which show you the title or show you what the video is about, or you can read the description over here. For example, part of speech 24, it is about demonstrative pronoun, right? It is written both in Khmer and in English language. Alright, so that's all for this video, and I hope to see you again soon in the next video. Goodbye and thank you for watching. Bye bye.